Is Uber driving ending for good? Find out in today's video. Hi everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. If you want to check out some of our brand new merch, go ahead and check it out. Link in the description below. It is on sale. Get it before the sale ends. My name is Dylan. Welcome back. Nice to formally or informally meet you, however you want to say. You know, this is a pretty informal channel, but we are the best one on YouTube for rideshare drivers. So if you drive for Uber, Lyft, any of the platforms, this is where you want to be. So in today's video, I'm talking about, is Uber driving ending? Are jobs for drivers ending? Sorry, I can't really talk right now. Why? Because look at the time, guys. It is, so you can see, 2:22 a.m. Yes, I'm devoted to you guys. I want to make the best content for you guys, even if that means staying up super late. After I've done all my editing, I still want to provide great content to you guys. So yes, I am staying up late to do this so I can get you guys this video tomorrow, because why? I think you guys need to know. So here we go. Uber just acquired the Seattle startup Mighty AI to fuel its push into self-driving cars. And I'm gonna talk about why this is super important and why this needs to be heard by Taylor Soper. Yeah guys, this was a video, this is an article done on GeekWire. I mean, look at these cars. This does not require a driver. It drives on its own. And what is that, a Volvo? It looks like a Volvo, could be wrong. One of the self-driving vehicles outside the company's facility in Pittsburgh. This is real, guys. Uber just made its first acquisition to a Seattle startup, Mighty AI, which develops training data. So if you guys don't know, Uber has been spending roughly $20 million on driverless cars, if not more. I would estimate up to $100 million per month on driverless car initiatives. So if you didn't know, that's basically the reason Uber went public in their IPO, which basically means that they trade on the public stock market, which essentially means they get a bunch of money from the public, like you and me. I think the entrepreneur just bought a couple stocks, so he is a shareholder. So he gave money to Uber for Uber to basically, you know, work on some sort of initiatives. They got billions upon billions of dollars for what? To work on driverless cars. That's literally it, mostly it. And also to recruit some new drivers for now before they can get into that. But yeah, as you can see here, this is the CEO of this company that Uber basically just bought this guy and his company. Yeah, this is what they, yeah, oh, Vice President of Software Engineering for Uber's Advanced. This, look what they said. This is Uber saying, training our AI at increasing pace is critical to scaling our self-driving technology. And I look forward to bringing Mighty AI's technology together with our existing label automotion expertise to help us move even faster. Uber is racing to release their driverless cars. So if you think that driving for Uber is gonna last forever, you're wrong. It will not. Maybe somewhat, but not like it is today. There will be self-driving cars, guys. You know, even Tesla, they have self-driving technology. It works really good. You can turn on your car, click in your destination, and it will take you there. And you don't even need to put your hands on the wheel or foot on any of the pedals. It's pretty insane. So the technology's there. They're just waiting on a few regulations to get this out. But yeah, I mean, as you can just see, Uber's, you know, their head of technology, Uber's Advanced Technologies Group, just said that they want to bring automation expertise even faster, to move even faster to get to driverless cars. So yeah, I just want to make this quick update, guys. Uber just bought this company called Mighty AI, and yeah, it's pretty insane. So let me know down below your thoughts. What new job will you be looking for once this does pass or come out into the mainstream? And yeah, I don't know. It's pretty crazy, guys. I know it's happening. The future is upon us. It is almost now. Wow, my teeth look very white in this lighting. All right, guys, I'll talk to y'all soon. Later, guys. Peace.